Alright, it's 5 o'clock. It's March 21st. Opening day of youth season for turkey. We're getting up and getting at them. We're going down to the valley. We're going to hunt a big cornfield and try to get one to gobble and go after them in these pines and stuff. I'm heading down to the valley right now to pick up one of my buddies. And we're going to head hunting. Let's do it, baby. We got one to gobble. We're going after him right now. He's kind of far away. So we're going to try to get on him. There he is. We're on him pretty heavy right now. I think he's coming. They're gobbling like crazy. They're all over the place. We're gonna steal. Now he's up here. We're sneaking up on them. They're all over the place. soon as you shoot, throw me the gun. Hey, stay right there. Hey, that's right there. Boom, baby.
I gave, oh my gosh.
Boom.
Let's freaking go,
Let's
baby.
go, baby.
God. Freaking. Oh, freaking good. There's no way. Take it, let's freaking go. No way. No way. No way. No freaking way. There he is. Oh my God. There he is. Oh my God. Oh, thank you. He's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. Oh my gosh. Get off his head. Get off his head. Well, cat. He ain't no monster. But that right there is that you say, golly days. Let's hold him up here.
Let's get exposed.
Huh? Oh, dude.
Wait, I got it. You got it?
Yeah.
Don't be exposed.
Oh, golly days. Holy crap. Alright, how about you quit that one time?
Stand on his head for a second.
Huh?
Oh my God, Hank.
Oh my God.
Hank.
He ain't no monster. So I thought he'd be freaking huge.
Man, he was gobbling like crazy.
He was so fired up. And there's 2 or 3 down there.
Hey, one over there.
One more over here.
Them was late.
One more over there. I thought he was huge. How about he was sounding? I knew them were jakes. I knew he was close when I heard him walking.
I seen, guys, we was sitting right down there. See that tree with the green moss on it? That's where I was sitting. He was sitting right there. His turkey, he was strutting right up here on this flat every time.
Did you see him?
I seen him when he got right here. I said, Hank, he's gonna come to the right. I said, I heard him spitting and drumming, and I heard him start walking. And he walked right down this right here, got right here, and Hank absolutely smoked him. Yeah, Hank.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go, Bubba.
Let's go.
Right here.
Let's go. What a freaking morning. Thank you, Lord, for giving me this opportunity. What is it, March 21st, opening day of youth season? It's on Saturday.
It is, sure is.
What time is it? Let's see. Let's see what time it is. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. We got out here. We heard this turkey at probably 6:30. Had him down. We walked probably a mile. And we took him down in about 30 minutes. We were after these 3 of them was over here. We was after them. And we was walking up on him, and this guy gobbled. I'm talking, he was in our face. And he kind of made his way back up. We got set down. He just kind of fiddled around in here for a minute. And it's a bad day for him.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. It's not no monster by any means, but being out here and chasing these birds, it's just a blessing in itself. Probably got a 7-inch beard, 7, 8, something like that. Man, I mean, this is just truly a blessing to be out here and chasing these wonderful creatures. I mean, oh my gosh, wow. I don't even know enough to say.
No.
He's got about 8 spurs.
Yeah.
He just ain't got a big beard.
Man, as soon as I'd start, son, I'm pretty sure that's what got him down here.
Fired up. Yeah, every time you did that, he gobbled at it.
Yeah, he cut me off. He was triple gobbling.
If I didn't move, I couldn't have killed him. If I'd have stayed where I was all the time, I wouldn't have been able to shot him.
I could have shot him where I was sitting at.
Yeah. I didn't know to shoot him when I just seen his head or not.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what a shot. Well. We're walking back to the buggy. We walked about a mile away. We're taking turns on him. Hagen's got him right now. I just got done carrying him. But man, what a morning. I just want to say thank you, Lord, for this amazing opportunity. I mean, it's truly a blessing to get out here in the great outdoors and chase these birds, or just hunt in general, and see how amazing he made it and perfect it is. Man, just gotta say thank you, Lord. I just want to say, I'm hunting right now with Hunt Local Waterfowl. Go check him out. You got more ducks. You got YouTube, TikTok, Instagram?
Yep.
YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, it's Hunt Local Waterfowl. Go check him out. He's got some hats, some shirts. He did some amazing calling this morning. He caught him right in. I mean, I ain't never heard nothing like it. Yeah, he come in 30 yards, 35 yards, something like that. He come in that calling. He was fired up this morning. So y'all go check him out and give him a little subscribe or something. Well, guys, the wood duck. I just dropped Hagen off. Got the turkey in the back here. Like I said, he's not no monster by any means, but he is still a turkey. And it is incredible to get out here and hear them gobble when they're right in your face. And they just keep going at it, and how it's amazing to hear how God created these birds in this great outdoors to react like that, and just to hear it and watch it unfold in person is just something truly incredible. I'm very grateful for this bird. I want to thank Hunt Local Waterfowl. Like I said, go check his channel out, give him a little follow. He's got some shirts and some hats. You need to buy them online. They're good stuff. Like I said, he did some pretty good calling this morning. His turkey, he made him fired up. And he come in probably 35 yards. Shot him that old 410. It dropped him right in the spot. So I want to thank him for helping me get this bird. But I guess I'm gonna get home, clean him, take this beard off, and put it on my wall. It's not even officially turkey season. I mean, it's not even started. Like I said, this is just the first day of season, so I still had tomorrow. So there might be another hunt coming to this. I don't know. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one.